Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a drawing and put in drawing views in Fusion 360. Once you have a part model, make sure it's saved with the name, and then we go up to this upper right where it says design. We're going to click on that and it opens up a menu. I'm going to change that design workspace to drawing. I'm going to go from drawing over to drawing from design. I'm going to click on that, and then it's going to pop up a menu over here. So what we want to do is go past all this, and we want to make sure that we're on from scratch. All right, template from scratch. Standard ASME is good. ISO is metrics. That's what we use in Europe, so we're going to leave it on ASME. Units should be in inches, and sheet size should be on B. So that's just the size of the drawing and what it's going to look like. Okay, and it's going to just jump to a new workspace and put in this drawing template. Now you notice it's bringing in the front view. That's one of the reasons why you want to draw on a specific plane is you want the front view to be your first view that you place in here. If I go over here, this is very small, isn't it? It looks tiny. But if I go over here to this menu, the scale is set at 1 to 2. I can change that from 1 to 2 to 1 to 1. Now that means it's going to be size for size over here, much better. All right. So all I got to do is find a place in the middle and place the base view, which is this, and click on my mouse, and it's going to place it there. All right. Now hit OK. All right, so this is great. We've got one view. We can click, drag, and move it if we want to, but I'm going to keep this basically in the center for now. What we need to do is some projected views from this view. I'm going to project to the right. We want to project to the bottom. Bottom because we want to be able to see this area here. We don't want that to be blind. So up in the top, way near the left, second from the left, on this drawing part of the menu, click on projected view. Select the parent view, which is this original one. Click on that. And then without holding down your mouse, just move over to the side. Click again. And then move down beneath and click again. And then hit escape. Now that's it. You've got your drawing views. You can move them all around, but they do stay associated to each other. They're lined up nicely. And so we want this kind of pleasant to the eye, looking nice and balanced in here. You don't want something way over here and this up here. This kind of looks nasty, right? We want to do it so it looks good. And we have room all around to put our dimensions in later on, our notes and all those things. One thing that mine's set up that it automatically comes with hidden views. If you don't have a hidden view, don't worry about it. All you got to do is double click on a view, and you can change the appearance style right here. So there's from the parent view, so it takes it from here, or you can have visible edges only, which you don't see the hidden lines. Something right here. This gives you both. So that's maybe what you want to pick if you don't have it on that. All right. And once you've done with that, you just close out and you're done. Don't forget to click on save. Give it a new name. What it's going to do is going to take the name of the original file. So it's going to say Counterbore example drawing. But just accept that. I'll show you what it looks like. Save. Counterbore example drawing comes up automatically. And click on save and you're done. And that's all there is to it for developing a drawing and putting just a few views in it. In other drawings, I'll show you how to do dimensions and notes. But that's all for now.